Hello guys, myself Manoj Sharma. Welcome to TechnoSage. So in this video we will see how we can add the SSH keys into our GitHub account. So as you can see on my screen, in order to add the SSH keys to our GitHub account, you need to first log into your GitHub account and then you need to go to the account settings. So from here you can go to your account settings. So as you can see, I'm already signed in and you can go to your setting page. So once you are on your account setting page, you need to just directly move to the SSH and GPA key section, and there you will be seeing two options. One is the SSH keys and another one is the GPG keys. So just click on to the new SSH keys. So here you need to give the key and the title of your choice. So now our primary aim is to get the key which we need to put in here, and then we can add the SSH keys. So how we'll be getting that SSH key from? So all you need to do is you need to go to the terminal. So if you're using a Windows system, you need to go to the command prompt where the Git might have installed. So the prerequisite is your system should be having the Git installed properly. If you're using a Windows, Mac or Linux or any box. So here currently I'm using the terminal for my MacBook. So if you're using a Windows, you can directly switch into your command prompt. It's the process is same. All you need to do is you need to configure the SSH. So I have the command I've already typed in once. So this is the command where you are generating the SSH key, the SSH keygen, followed by some parameters, and then in this section you need to give your email ID. After giving all these things, just hit enter. So it's generating the public private RSA keys, both the public as well as the private RSA key. So it's asking me to where I need to save my keys. I'm not going to give anything. I just want to keep this default. I'll just hit enter, and then it's saying that there is already a key exists. Do you want to override? So if you're doing it for the first time, you will not be facing this since I've already created the key once. For me, it's asking whether I want to override it or not. Okay, I'll just override because I am just creating freshly. Now it's asking me for the passphrase that I want to keep. So if you're not giving the password, that means you are making it passwordless, which is mostly not recommended. So just keep a password. I'll just give a password. So I have kept a password. It's asking me to type in again the same password just for a verification purpose. Oh, sorry, I might have given something wrong here. Okay, so now you can see it says that your identification has been saved to this file and the public key has been saved to this file. So the public key would have been saved to this file. So what we need to do, we need to just open this file and read the content of this file. So I'll do cat and I'll just directly go to this file and hit enter. And you can see on my screen that the content of this file is having one big key, encrypted key. I'll just copy this whole stuff from this particular file and will now go on to the UI of the GitHub and will paste the similar stuff here. After giving this whole key, I'll just give some title just for my understanding and I will click on add as such key. So now you can see that the key has been added, and now I can safely do my git clone and all those stuffs. So in this way we can add the SSH keys, and once I've added the key, I got an email on my Outlook or on my email what I have given while I configured the SSH key or while I have created the SSH key. So I got the confirmation that the key has been successfully added to my GitHub account. So in this way you can add the SSH keys. You can have multiple SSH keys as well, like just type in, just click on to the add new, and again you can create for different system and can add it here. So in this way you can add multiple keys from multiple different systems and can do the git clone and all those git related you can play around with the Git related things and can do the commits and all those stuffs. So I hope this is it from this video. I hope you like this video. Please do let us know in the comment section. Do like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, guys.